What did you guys build today?
What we have right here is a really awesome gaming PC inside the new O11 Air Mini with a bunch of RGB fans and the i7-12700KF and RX 7600.
Yeah, we actually decided to buy the kit that comes with the vertical bracket, which involves taking off the whole back of the case basically, and then you install this new back version that now has a vertical mounted GPU, which looks pretty cool. But to go over the other parts, we have an MSI B760 gaming plus Wi-Fi, Solidigm P41 plus 1TB Gen 4, 32 gigs of DDR5 at 6000 MHz RGB from Team Group, a Seagate TEP 750W ATX 3.0, the V-True V240. We added 7 V-True black fans, and this once again is the O11 Air Mini, which has a lot of airflow compared to like the OG cases that are just all glass. And this build will be 1450.
Yeah, this build will be ready for 1440p gaming. It'll also have a really solid upgrade path, and yeah, this is a really cool case from Lian. Very compact size versus the normal O11 Dynamic, and really awesome build quality. So buy this PC today at PC Bros, or check out our inventory of all the other PCs we have to offer.